Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. For example, we have three promises over here, and what I want to do is I want to run all these promises in parallel. The question is, how can I do that? Well, to implement this functionality, we have a method of promise which is called .all. So if I come over here and write promise.all, and what it will do, we need to pass an array first, and inside this array we can pass all our promises. Promise1, p1, and then promise2, p3, and after that we can receive it using .then.catch res console.log res, or obviously it is a good practice to write .catch as well, console.log err. Then as you can see that it is returning me all our promises, results. Promise1 resolve, we have promise1 resolve, promise2 resolve, promise3 resolve in an array format. But the thing is, let me show you one more thing. Over here we are resolving all our promises at the moment, but what if I come over here and write reject? Then as you can see, promise2 rejected, right? Then as you can see that it has ignored all the promises which were resolved, and it has returned us only the promise which were rejected. So if I recall it, then to run promises in parallel, we use .all method, and if any of the promise got rejected, then it will ignore all the resolved promises and return the rejected promise. Right, so this is it from this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.